Hi friends, welcome to ARUNA CUISINES. In this video, I am preparing Tindora masala curry. It is very popularly known as Tindora masala curry in North India and it is also known as tondekayi masala curry in South India. It will be great encouragement for me if you subscribe my channel and share this video.
Required ingredients for Tindora masala curry: 250 gram washed tindora, half lemon sized tamarind, half cup roasted groundnut, 1/4 cup mint leaves, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 2 tablespoon red chili powder, small amount of cinnamon, black pepper and clove, half cup chopped onion, 1 cup coconut paste, salt to taste and oil. Add roasted groundnuts, tamarind, 5 to 6 garlic cloves and ginger, 2 tablespoon red chili powder, mint leaves, coriander powder, cinnamon, black pepper and clove in a blender and blends it into a smooth powder. Now transfer this masala mixture into a bowl. For this Tindora masala curry, I took 250 grams cleanly washed tindora. Now cut the tindora like this and keep sliced tindora in a plate. Switch on the stove. In a pan, add 2 tablespoon oil. Add chopped onion and saute for few minutes. When onion turns to lightly brown color, to this add sliced tindora and mix the tindora for a few minutes. Then add grated masala to this tindora. Mix it well for a few minutes. Now cover the pan with a lid for few seconds. Now remove the lid. To this tindora masala mixture, add half tablespoon turmeric powder and mix it and add 1 cup water according to your requirements and mix the tindora mixture. To this tindora masala mixture, add salt to taste and cover the pan with a lid for 5 minutes on medium flame. Now mix the tindora masala contents. To this tindora masala contents, add 1 cup coconut paste and mix it and cover the pan with a lid and cook it for 8 to 10 minutes on low flame. Now the spicy, tasty and healthy Tindora masala curry is ready to serve. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and share this video. Thank you.